Stretching into the Pacific, where the white sands meet the world-renowned kite surfing winds, lies Punta Chame. This isn't just a coastal destination. It's a strategic peninsula positioned for growth. Just over an hour from Panama City, this location offers a rare blend of untamed beauty and capital city accessibility. Inside, this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home defines sophisticated functionality. Spanning over 189 square meters of construction, the open-plan living area features sliding glass doors that invite the coastal light into every corner. The kitchen is designed for efficiency and durability, flowing seamlessly into a private terrace and garden, perfect for year-round outdoor dining and entertaining. Residents also enjoy access to a shared pool and social areas. Whether you're utilizing it as a secondary home for weekend escapes or a high-performance rental asset in a booming kitesurfing hub, the infrastructure supports both leisure and ROI. Experience the synergy of adventure and tranquility. Visit the Casa Solution website or contact us today to secure this coastal masterpiece.